I'm gonna just do a little bit. I don't want to do a lot because see, I'm really secretive too. Because people will stalk you.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I always try to like. I don't post where I was until I'm already gone from there.
Right. Oh, that's smart. You gotta do that. Okay. Let me see. And by the way, your dressing need to be cute too.
Okay.
I like the little what you call them? They almost look like little muumuus. We call them. But they not muumuus.
You talking about the black one that I wear?
No, it was the colorful one you had on that day when you were showing your van. And
the poncho.
The
poncho, yeah.
Was it a jean one?
I have a jean one with the hearts on it. And then the like red colorful one that I went to the little Grand Canyon one that I did.
I'm gonna have to go back and watch. Okay. I just caught you I just caught you, but I think I did subscribe to your channel. So hold on, let me go and make sure.
Shout out your YouTube one more time for him.
Tiana, I Can Only Be Me Vlogs.
Tiana, I Can Only Be Me Vlogs.
My channel is a lifestyle channel, so I cook, I clean, I show you how to budget. I'm bomb with my recipes, like you will love my channel. And I'm down to earth. I'm myself. I don't sugarcoat. I'm just me. That's why my name is Tiana, I Can Only Be Me.
Love it. Guys, in case I forgot to put this part in, so I'm just in Alabama chilling, and I just got noticed by a couple of my subscribers. The dopest thing that's ever happened to me. That's insane. I'm like kind of flying right now. Let's get the other one real quick.
Yeah.
One more time, tell us.
I just wrote that. Oh. Hey, my name is Nikita. My page is styled X Nikita. That STYLED XNAKITA. And I'm a loctician, by the way. I asked him, but he free for him.
Yeah.
That's my mom.
Follow her anyways, though.
Yeah, and that's my mom. He van life.
That's small.
I recognize van life. Yes.
Yep.
We love van life. You don't know Anthony, but
I don't know who Anthony is, but I'm definitely gonna look him up today.
Okay.
Yeah, he's doing his SUV.
Okay.
Yeah, you like it?
I do. It's like I'm gonna be doing this until I can afford to buy a property on California.
Yeah.
So until then, this is what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna go hard with it until I can make it work.
So what you want to do with your property?
I want to buy like 10 acres in the Northern California coast and just build on it.
Okay.
Like cabins, tiny homes, houses
that'd
for
be
where my
nice.
family can come stay.
That'd be nice, yeah.
And like I want to create generational wealth, which is important to me. Like apartment living is not it. Like
Definitely not. That's why I was just telling my mom today.
I was talking to him from California.
That's why I was telling my mom today, like buying a house, it's kind of overrated because you can live on the road and free. That's just, to me, that's just like.
And it sets your soul free. Like on the cross country trip that I did, like I moved a different place every day. So the next time that I do, I'm gonna go a little slower.
Yeah.
But it was like my cat was happy, I was happy. It just felt good.
Yes.
Like everything felt good.
So what's the name of your YouTube?
Winter is Blue. It's all one word with no E at the end.
I'll find you.
It's been great to meet you guys.
Okay.
Nice to
Follow
meet you,
everybody, subscribe to everybody.
Winter is blue.
Guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm still like that was the biggest sign I've ever gotten in my entire life. I swear, right before that happened, I was like contemplating to myself. I was like, am I really ready to like take this thing seriously, like full time? Am I really ready to take it there? I swear, I was thinking that right when this happened. I'm contemplating, like kind of little doubts coming in here and there. Even though I'm confident in this page, don't get me wrong. But, you know, I was just asking myself these questions like, am I really ready? And right in that moment, a lady walks past me and she stops and she goes, do I know you from YouTube? And like, instantly I'm like, what? And she's like, I know you from YouTube. And I'm like, what? And I'm like, are you joking? She's like, no, you're on YouTube, aren't you? I saw you in the van with your cat. And I'm like, I literally like freak out. And I'm like, oh my God, yes, Winter is Blue. She's like, yes, that's it. And I instantly, again, shout out to her, because that was crazy. That was the craziest thing that ever happened in my life. But through all that, somehow my mind says I should definitely record this and at least take a picture. So I'm like, let's take a selfie. We go outside, we take a picture, we just end up naturally taking like a little small vlog. Like I take the vlog that you guys just watched. She actually recorded like a vlog and a Q&A for me. So you're gonna want to go to her channel, Tiana I Can Only Be Me Vlogs. She's gonna be posting it soon. She actually asked me a few questions about van life. So it's like a little mini Q&A, really good questions. You guys are really gonna want to go check that out on her page. I will link her down at the bottom. Also, her sister, who was Styled X Nikita, she does dreads. And Tiana, she does like a lifestyle channel. She cooks. Her food looks amazing. So you guys are really gonna want to check that out. But that was my sign. That said, stop doubting yourself. You are gonna make it. So like, it's on. Like, you know what I mean? That's my sign. So thank you guys so much for tuning in every time that I post, for commenting. I've got great stuff on the way. Like starting March, it's just gonna keep on getting better and better. It's starting to rain, so I should probably go so I can pay attention to the road. But thank you guys for being here. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you. Here's to many more videos, many more subscribers, many more connections, and here's to one day getting that property on the California coast.